You can see how it's working. You can hear it playing. It's perfect.
Hey guys, welcome to your review channel. Today I'm talking to you about a turntable belt. I know it's not an exciting video, but I wanted to show you a little bit about how to change one. So stay tuned, watch this video. I'm going to actually show you how to change it. This was the old one that was on this turntable. It's all stretched out, as you can see. It's really thin and stretched out. And you can just tell it just has no elasticity. It's like just like nothing, all worn out. So I have one here that I ordered online, and we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you how to do that, how to take off the platter, all that kind of stuff. And this is how it should be. You can see the difference. It's really a huge difference as far as let me just show you here. You can see how stretched out that one is. This is the one it's supposed to be. It's stretched out about 2 inches, and this has a lot more. It's almost like a rubber band. That's how it should be. So I'll leave a link down below, and also right at the end of the video right here, it is in a small affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase this. Costs you nothing. So I just want to show you how to do that and what to expect. If you have a turntable that makes a lot of noise, or doesn't turn, or that runs slow, anything like that at all, it's most likely a belt. It's an easy fix. The platter pops off pretty easily. You don't have to take anything apart underneath. It's always on the top. Basically just wraps around the platter, around the motor, and that's pretty much it. So it's pretty easy to do. So let's get to it. I'm just going to show you how to change that, and let's get downstairs to the shop on the workbench, and I'll show you how to do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the type of content. I do all types of reviews, how to, and also tech. So that's what I do. So hopefully this helps you. And if it does, leave some comments down below. Let me know. Leave me some comments, and hopefully I help you. And if you do, go ahead and consider a super chat or a super thanks. I really do appreciate it, and as well to support my channel. Appreciate it. All right, let's get downstairs and let's install the new belt.
Okay guys, so we're downstairs at the shop right now. Here's a Pioneer PL600 I picked up, and it wasn't working, but I heard the motor making some noise, so I knew it was running. And here is the belt that I was telling you about. So how to take the platter off. They're pretty easy to do. You take off this little rubber little thing here that the LP sits on that protects the LP, because you don't want to sit on the metal, of course. Take that off. And sometimes these are stuck a little bit. You just got to wiggle them just a little bit and move them up and down. That's why they got this little hands here. Just wiggle it, and it usually just pops right off, just like you see there. So here's the back of the platter. And you can see this round edge here. That's where the new belt is going to sit. So here's the new belt. You can see here, the new belt sits beautifully on here, like that. And then we're going to run it to the motor. Now the motor drive is right here. So the idea is to basically run the belt underneath here, and then we're just going to slide it right underneath the platter, and it's going to connect super easy and super quick. So here's the platter. Let's put this around here first. Okay, let's wrap that around. And that's going to be tight, and that should be tight. It has a little bit of play right here. You can see that how that wiggles like that. Now the reason why they have these holes here, so you can line up the platter and put on the belt on the motor. That's the reason why they have those holes. Let me just tuck it like that. And you're going to see here, let me show you. See my finger with the belt? Right? And here's the motor. So basically you're just going to slide the platter on and slip this right over the belt, over the motor. And it's that easy to change these, just like that. So let's just hold it like that. Let's get the peg lined up in the hole. Here's the motor, like I told you. And bam, that is installed. Just that quick. Super easy, right? I mean, that's super easy. And just make sure that's tack that down. Let me just plug this in real quick. Let's see. And there it is. It is turning, as you can see. And let's put this back on. That's all there really is to it. And let's see how this works. Let's hit the play button. Up and down. Again, I just got this, so I haven't had a chance to test it yet. There it goes. It's turning like that. It's going to set. I have it set for up. Let's see what happens if the mechanism even works. I don't even know. Let's see. That's up. Okay, good. Play and stop. Let's just see how that works. Hit that. Goes back. Perfect. It's going to go back down and then should shut off automatically. Just like that. So that works great. That works perfectly. I'm going to actually pop a record on here, and let's take a listen to it and see if we can hear a little bit how it sounds. We just pop on a record here. You can see it's going on. It's going to automatically drop. You can see how it's working. You can hear it playing. It's perfect. We'll hit stop. goes back, it'll go back up, it'll go back down, and it'll just park itself. And it actually works really, really well. So here's an old record player that you can restore very easily. Just add a belt for a little bit of money, and it's an all working turntable now, probably worth about $125 with the new belt. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you watching this video. I hope you learned something. It means a lot to me when you guys leave comments, or leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think about this. Easy fix. Anybody can fix this. Super easy. You can do it yourself. Please do it yourself. You don't have to hire anybody. And the odds are it's going to work pretty much really what it is most of the time. It's just a bad belt, just like you see here. All right, guys, that's it for me. Appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next how-to review. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button. There's a video, I'll be a product right here for a link that is a affiliate link, and down below as well for the belt. Appreciate your time.